Hey everybody, in place of going through all these problems as a whole group today, I'm going to let you try doing a video and kind of a self-paced day. So today we're going to connect multiplication and division. There's a lot of similarities here. Okay, let's start by looking at this multiplication problem. It says use the multiplication problem to write two division problems. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so to rewrite this as a division problem, I'm going to start with my product here and say 8 divided by, let's go with 2 first. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. What would be the other division problem I could write? If you said 8 divided by 4 equals 2, you're correct. Okay, let's use that same idea to rewrite this multiplication problem as a division problem. So we start with our product always. We've got negative 18 divided by, now you can pick either one of the factors here. I'm going to say, let's pick negative 3. Okay, so negative 18 divided by negative 3, well, I see it has to equal this last number here, which is a positive 6. Okay, interesting. We have a negative divided by another negative gave us a positive. What other division problem could we write here? How about negative 18? This time we'll divide by 6. And we're left with this last piece here, negative 3. Okay, so look at what we have going on. We've got negative divided by a negative is a positive. And then down here we have a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Ooh, up here the signs are the same and our answer is positive. The signs are different and our quotient is negative. Is this starting to sound a little familiar? Let's try one more. Now we're multiplying two negatives. Negative 5 times negative 2, and that equals positive 10. Okay, so let's rewrite this as a division problem, starting with 10 divided by, I'll do negative 5 first, equals, well, it's got to equal what's left here, negative 2. Okay, and our second problem would be 10 divided by negative 2 equals negative 5. So we're just kind of reversing this multiplication here to write our division problems. And again, I see a positive divided by a negative is a negative, or my signs are different and my quotient is negative. And here my signs are different, and my quotient is negative again. Okay, so we can also model this with integer chips. Let's just kind of take a look at one here. We've got negative 18, so I built 18 with negative unit tiles, and I want to divide them into 3 equal groups. So I kind of have it arranged that way already. There's one group, there's a second group, and there's a third group. So then the quotient here is, well, how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's a negative. They're all negative. So negative 18 divided by 3 equals negative 6. And again, we've got negative 14, and we're splitting those into 7 equal groups. So there's a group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I ask myself, well, what's in each group? Negative 2. So I have a negative 14 divided by a positive 7, and I get a negative 2. Again, my signs are different when I'm dividing, and I have a negative quotient. All right, you should copy this down into your notes or screenshot it after we fill it in, because these are our rules for dividing. Okay, they look very much like multiplying. When you have a positive divided by a positive, what will your quotient be? Good, positive. If you have a negative divided by a negative, what will your quotient be? Also, positive. If you have a positive divided by a negative, or the signs are different, we end up with a negative. And a negative divided by a positive, you end up with a negative. Make sure you have this either copied in your notes or screenshot and saved in Notability, because these are the rules we'll use for the rest of the day today. I'd like you to pause and try these 3 and then come back and see how you did. Okay, you have your answers ready? Let's see, I've got negative 18 divided by 9. A negative divided by a positive is going to give me a negative, and 18 divided by 9 is 2. For B, I have a negative divided by a negative, so the signs are the same. My answer will be positive, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. And for C, I have a positive divided by a negative, which means my answer will be negative, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. All right, if you have any questions about this, you can come and ask me. I'll be around to help. Otherwise, you can continue with the rest of the TAC for today.